Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which is asking us which of the following function is non periodic. So, first problem is f of x equals 2 power x. Okay, so 2 power x by 2 power x. No, it is not 2 power x by 2 power x. Rather, it is 2 power x by this. Okay, so can I write down this thing as 2 power x minus box x? Now, you know that x can be converted into sum of greatest integer and fractional part function. So, greatest integer will come this side, so it will become what? 2 power fractional part function. And you know that the fractional part function is periodic and its period is 1, 0 to 1. Okay, so it is periodic. Now we have second problem. F of x equals sine inverse fractional x. Again it is periodic function, the fractional part function 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, it will keep on changing and it will keep on giving the similar values, same values at regular interval. Okay, then we have f of x equals to sine inverse root cos x. Now again you know that the person who went inside is cos function which is periodic. If you'll observe the graph, it look like this is the graph of cos function. But look at this, you know that it should be the entity inside the root should be positive, so you cannot have negative things. So this is your answer, and which is periodic, correct? So this is also periodic function. Now we have one more thing which is f of x equals sine inverse cos of x square. Now if you will observe now, the cos function is periodic but this x square is having problem. The moment you will increase the value of x now, this will it will start it will have maximum values as 1, minimum value as -1, but it will start squeezing things. The maximum minimum value will be same, but it will get very close. Okay, so it is not periodic function. So the correct answer is option number 4. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.